Hi, I'm Victor Agreda Jr. with the Unofficial Apple Weblog, and I'm here with Tua and MacTech Magazine. We're here at WWDC 2011 talking about keynote, announcements, all the new stuff that was coming out, and of course developers and some of the things and how this stuff impacts them. And right now I'm with Linda, how do you say your last name?
Marroquin.
Marroquin?
Yes.
Oh, okay. And with FrogPad. And FrogPad has an interesting solution to a pretty interesting, it's a problem with touch devices. It's a problem overall, and that is data entry, right? Is how we have to still use our digits to input data into computers. And of course, Apple has taken a stab at this with virtual keyboards in the past, but then they've introduced now, or iOS 5 I should say, will introduce a split keyboard. But you guys have a very novel solution, I think, that's interesting. Maybe I shouldn't say it's novel because it's sort of a spin on some of the alternative data, key entry things out there. You've seen people who are like hardcore programmers have these things, and you have to train yourself on, one-handed keyboards or whatever, right? So show me what you have.
Well, what we have, FrogPad has a patented algorithm for multi-touch, and we've applied it in the past to hardware, one-handed data entry devices, left-handed and right-handed. But especially with the advent of multi-touch, and especially with what Apple has done with Lion, they're demonstrating their commitment to multi-touch. And how they're inputting data with multi-touch right now are the trackpads, yes, with Lion. What we've looked to do is take our algorithm, develop the same multi-touch single-handed data entry for surfaces like the iPad. So that's one of the things we're doing. But the other thing we're doing is that we're actually taking our technologies and we're developing the libraries, the API, so that other developers can start embedding our user interface into their apps and vice versa, so that we can actually take other apps and embed them in our note taker, as was mentioned in the previous interview. But the third thing that's even more exciting, this multi-touch world is, in the next 4 years, there's going to be 1.4 billion devices that will have some sort of multi-touch surface. So we start looking at all the data entry methodologies. You have voice recognition, you have laser, you have a mouse. We're even working on the development of this glove that has our algorithm, so you're literally inputting data as if in a holograph form, like Minority Report, remember? So if we start taking all of those technologies and combining them and having a complete solution, that will absolutely make multi-touch sing. So that's what we're up to.
Great.
In a nutshell.
Great. Well, show me can you share the trackpad thing?
Sure. This is a new product that we're going to be developing. It is taking the current Magic trackpad. We've got a program we'll launch in about a month with as a gift. So we'll give away the Magic trackpad with our software, and this just has a clingy on top of it. We'll have a left-handed one, a right-handed one, so that you're doing FrogPad on this. It has the way to switch back and forth, so we take no operability away from the mouse itself. But on top of it, we're going to have other clingies to make this into a numeric keypad or into even a user-definable application. And again, you'll always have your mouse application in the product itself.
Yeah. So on the Mac, this seems like a no-brainer, right? But on iOS now, I'm curious, you said you have an API, but are there apps on the store right now using your keyboard?
Not right now. We have not launched our product yet. There's some reasons for it at the moment, but they're all political and PR reasons. Yeah. But at least we're demonstrating them.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, this seems really cool. How long have you guys been in business?
Since 1999.
Okay.
And we started with our prototypes. We developed the hardware, started shipping. We were one of the first Bluetooth keyboards on the market, actually, in 2003. And then we moved over into looking to develop the new apps. We are going to be building hardware, Bluetooth keyboards that will interface with the iPads and pretty much any operating system.
Very good, very good. Linda, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
And this is Victor Agreda Jr. with the Unofficial Apple Weblog and MacTech Magazine here at WWDC 2011, and thanks for watching.